Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard, this time from a company called Skyloong. This is the Skyloong GK68 HE standing from Hall Effect. This is the box of it. We have some damage here from the transport, but don't worry, your one might not be the same. My one just came straight from them. And pretty simple looking box, doesn't tell you much, doesn't show you how the keyboard is looking, but we have this seal right here, so you know your keyboard is brand new. And on the back you have some information. So from what I can see, Skyloong GK68HE, the keycaps must be PBT, and the rest I cannot understand. We have some text right here which says tech and fun, which is pretty nice, and pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have an instruction manual right here in English and Mandarin, and basically it tells you what the functions do. So backlight control, mode function keys, because obviously this being a 68% layout keyboard is missing some keys, but you have everything you need to know right here. They included some spare switches, which is pretty nice. We have a pretty flexible USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This is used to connect to the keyboard. The keyboard is wired only. We have this keycap and switch puller. You can customize the keycaps and the switches. It's hot swappable. We have this strap right here, which follows basically the same Damascus pattern as the keyboard, and you can attach it right here on the left hand side. And we have the keyboard itself, which looks really good. I like the color combination. The keys are not on the top, so usually you will see on the top WASD, but they're on the side right here facing towards you. On the back of the keyboard we have some info about the keyboard. We have some rubber feet with adjustable stands, so you can adjust it to different levels. They have those rubber feet as well, so once you place it on your desk it won't slide, it won't go anywhere. Top of the keyboard we have the USB Type-C port, and we have a switch for office mode and gaming mode. I guess gaming mode will provide you less battery life but higher responsiveness. I think this keyboard has 1000 Hz of pulling rate. They have their own software, but I don't see nothing mentioned in the manual about that, but I'm pretty sure you'll find it on their website. And pretty much that's it. That's all you get. So let's go ahead now and have it next to our setup, so you guys can see for yourself how you look next to your setup and how it performs. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks like when it's all plugged in. To connect it was really simple. All you had to do is just plug in the cable to any USB Type A port on your PC or your laptop. I'm using a dock that's connected to my PC, and then plug it into your keyboard, and basically it's ready to go. The RGB is absolutely amazing. I love it. It looks really good, especially with this Damascus pattern, and everything just works, even the dial right here. So if we turn the dial, as you can see, it's changing the volume on the PC. I don't know if the camera can focus. There we go. So the dial works. The keyboard is super responsive. If we press the Windows key, just responds straight away. Absolutely great. I really like the keycaps too. They feel amazing. All I want to do now is get as close as I can with the camera and the microphone so you guys can hear how it sounds like. Bear in mind, it's not a mechanical keyboard, it's a magnetic switch keyboard, so it doesn't sound that talky, but it still sounds good. So let's go ahead and press some keys. Yeah, I think it still sounds great. It's a great keyboard. I would definitely recommend it. They have other color schemes as well, not only the pink and gray, but this looks really cool, really futuristic. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. Make sure you check out their website. They have other gaming peripherals as well. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.